Very beautiful traditional Bengal special Swarnachuri silk sarees collection coming to saree number 1. Very beautiful motifs all over the saree and very beautiful border also. Look at the beautiful pallu, historical, epical stories depicted on the pallu. Very beautiful hand weaving work done. All the sarees are silk mark certified and you will be getting very beautiful matching blouse piece running with the saree itself. The saree is just very beautiful sweet color. Saree number 2, very beautiful Rani color saree. Just look at the beautiful motifs all over the saree and the beautiful border. Very beautiful figurines depicted in the border portion. The pallu is just wow. Look at the historical works depicted on the pallu. The beautiful figurines. The beautiful figurines depicted on the pallu. The work is actually very artistic and these Swarnachuri sarees are very unique. All these sarees are a specialty of our Bengal. Coming to the next saree, saree number 3. Very beautiful Firoza color or turquoise color. Look at the beautiful motifs all over the saree and just look at the beautiful border of the saree. This Firoza color is also known as Tute color in Bengali. Very beautiful color combination. Just look at the beautiful pallu of the saree. The combination of Firoza with the zari work is just awesome. Beautiful figurines and very beautiful historical works depicted on the pallu. The finishing, the work, everything in these sarees are just perfect and very fine. Comes with a matching blouse piece. Coming to saree number 4, very beautiful uncommon color, bronze color. Look at the beautiful motifs and the beautiful border of the saree. I will show you the beautiful pallu of the saree. Again, very rich pallu of Swarnachuri sarees. The pallu and the border of the Swarnachuri sarees is just wow and it makes the saree very unique in your wardrobe. These Swarnachuri sarees are not just sarees but these are really, I will tell you, an asset in your wardrobe. This will last for generations and generations. Coming to the next saree, just look at the beautiful color, rust color saree. Just look at the beautiful motifs all over the saree and the border. Just look at the pallu portion. Very beautiful pallu. The color combination is very beautiful. It again comes with a matching blouse piece. Next saree, very beautiful, very bright blue color, royal blue color. The motifs in the saree and the pallu portion really makes this saree very bright and very gorgeous. Just look at the beautiful pallu portion. I will just zoom it. Coming to the next saree, very beautiful color. All over the saree you will find very beautiful motifs and the border portion is again very beautiful. Purplish color saree. Just look at the beautiful pallu of the saree. All these sarees are very soft and very easy to wear. All these sarees comes with matching blouse piece and are silk mark certified. Coming to the next saree, very beautiful color. Just look at the beautiful figurines depicted as the motifs all over the saree and the beautiful border of the saree, golden color border, just wow. Look at the beautiful rich pallu. The works depicted in the pallu are totally historical works and this makes the Baluchuri and Swarnachuri sarees an asset in your wardrobe. These all are a specialty of our Bengal. Just book one for yourself. If you wish to book any of the sarees, just take a screenshot of the saree you like and send it to our booking number 9163407567. Coming to the next saree, just look at the bright color, the motifs all over the saree and the beautiful border is just what it makes this saree different from others. The beautiful rich gorgeous pallu. Just look at the beautiful figurines of women depicted in the pallu portion. Different postures of women are depicted in this saree. Very beautiful work. Totally hand weaving work is done in the pallu portion. Coming to the next sari, beautiful sweet color. Again figurines depicted in the motifs and the border, very rich golden color border of the sari. Look at the rich pallu portion of the sari. Very sweet color combination. Again historical works depicted in the pallu. Please do share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All these sarees comes with matching blouse piece running with the saree itself, and all the sarees are silk mark certified. Coming to the next saree, navy blue color Swarnachuri saree. Look at the beautiful motifs all over the saree and the beautiful border. Now I will show you the pallu of the saree. The beautiful navy blue color with golden is just wow. Comes with a matching blouse piece. Coming to the next saree, very beautiful bright jam color saree, bright purple color saree. The combination with golden is very beautiful. Look at the beautiful rich pallu. Again historical works depicted in the pallu. Very fine hand weaving work done on the pallu portion. These sarees are just an asset in your wardrobe and they will last for generations. Coming to the next saree, just look at the bright chocolate color saree. Beautiful figurines depicted in the motif portion and the border portion. Again very rich historical pallu portion of the saree. Just look at the beautiful postures of women depicted in the pallu. Very beautiful color, very beautiful. All these sarees are silk mark certified, pure silk material Swarnachuri sarees. Coming to the next, again a very beautiful blue color Swarnachuri saree. Look at the beautiful motifs and the border portion of the saree. Now I will show you the pallu portion, very beautiful pallu portion. All these sarees are very soft, very comfortable to wear in any occasions and parties. The last one is again a different color, Firoza color. I have shown you earlier also a Firoza color. So this one is again the same Firoza color with a different motifs and different historical works depicted. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. Stay safe at your homes.